So this exercise is similar to the Shinbox exercise that I've shown before, but it's more difficult because now there's no bracing of our body with our arms behind us, and you're going to also be rolling up to your knees. So it's elevated Shinbox exercise. So first, want to get into position. So if you're able, so right now, if you're not able to flip back and forth without bracing, I would suggest doing that exercise over and over until you can get to a point where you can flip-flop and drop your knees. And as you're doing this movement now, you're dropping on one side, anchor down, engage, and roll up to your knee, stand tall, and then come back down, and then drop to the other side as you're going through, and then roll up, and then back down. So this is what I call the elevated Shinbox exercise.